Yes, my dear students, I can give the some key answers. You subscribe my channel, please, and you can to the press the bell icon. First one answer is C, means 25. Second one is D, means D, means minus 6. You can to the converted that form into the standard form of quadratic equation, and you get the minus 6 is the answer for that question. And let's move on to the next question, next paper. Yes, third one is the it is the which line it intersect, means it is the intersecting line. Three one is the answer is A. Fourth answer is you can to the get that line at the intersect in 1.10 and substitute the 10 to given to the equation, and you get answer. That means C is the answer for that question. C is the answer for that question, and you solve the answer and find. And fifth one, let's move on to the next question. Fifth one is parallel line, condition of parallel line they give, means it is the a1 by a2 now equal b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. A is the answer. And sixth one is they gave the pair of equation 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 and ex plus 6by plus 14 equal to 0. That answer you can to the get C, 4 and 6. 4 and 6 you can get. And seventh one they can give which of the following in an arithmetic progression. 1 5 9 is it is in arithmetic progression, means D is common difference between the term is 4. 8 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 and 3 11 term of an AP they gave, means it is to the you can to the find the A and D. Let's answer you can to the find D, means 17. And let's move on to the ninth question. And the sum of the first 10 term of an arithmetic progression is 155, and the sum of the first 9 term of an arithmetic progression is 126. Then find the 10th term. You can to the some calculation is the required for this question, and you can to the last you can to get the 29 is the answer. You can to the substitute the value for that formula in an formula, sum formula, and you can to the get the answer. In below it is the answer is given, you can see. And let's move on to the next question. 10th one root they are given, that is 2, and substitute the 2 is in the given equation, and you can get the answer. That means minus 7 is the answer to the question. And 11th one, the discriminant of the quadratic equation px square plus qx plus r, you can to the find the discriminant finding formula. That means b square minus 4ac. You b square they can in the place of b they give q, in place of p they give a, place of q p, and c place they give r, means q square minus 4pr is the answer. And let's 12th question. 4x10 that are in the arithmetic progression, find the value of the x. The 7 is the answer, means 4 to 7 is the common difference is 3, and 7 to 10 that common difference also 3, therefore 7 is the answer. Let's 13th question. The root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, they can to the give the some more answer for the confusing ourselves. They so you can to the first you can to the recognize the answer, and you can to the find it. A minus of b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is the answer to that question. And 14th is x minus 3 into x plus 2, the root of the equation, means you can to the find x minus 3, you can to the x minus 3 equal to 0. 3 is to the transport to the RHS side, you can get the 3, in 2 to the RHS side you can to the get the minus 2. That means 3 minus 2, B is the answer to that question. 15th question, they give if the sum of the two consecutive term of the is 27, then the integer r. They means they can to the give the consecutive term means one repeated to another. 13 and the 14 is the answer. You can get the minus 13 and minus 14. You cannot get the answer. You can only to the get the minus 27, but they can give the plus 27. So you can to the B is the answer. You can to the put the B is the answer and mark that 13 and 14. 16. In the figure, the value of the sin theta, they give the three sides, they give the length of three sides, but you can't recognize the sin theta. Sin theta, what is the ratio of the sin theta? You can to the recognize. That means opposite side by hypotenuse. You can get the opposite side is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Therefore, you can get the answer 1 by 2. A is the answer to that question. 17th, sin 30 plus cos 60 degree minus tan 45 degree. Find its value. They give, and you can to the value and substitute the value, and that's mean to the sin 30 means off, and then cos 30 also off. You can to the add the 2 off, you can get the 1, and tan 45 means 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. D is the answer for this question. And 18 one is 3 plus secant square theta is equal to, that means you can to the get the 4 plus tan square theta. You can to recognize that ST formula, secant square theta plus tan square theta equals 1, and you can use the formula, you can get the answer 4 plus tan square theta. And 19 question, they gave you the angle of elevation and gave the fourth answer. That is, the answer is 10 root 3. Answer. In the next video, I can to the continue the other question in that paper. But please subscribe my channel. Please, my dear student and teachers. Teachers, you can to the send the WhatsApp connection for your students and subscribe it.